Goeiedag, good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And as a lot of the Loving Life community use WhatsApp, you need to be aware of the legal changes that have been made that could land you in prison if you say the wrong thing in a WhatsApp message. So this video is an alert to the Loving Life family, our subscribers, other people in South Africa, and basically South Africa, because this is where this law applies. In recent years, online crimes have been growing in a breakneck rate, leaving many people the victims of crime on digital platforms around the country. Now a new Cybercrimes bill has been passed to govern instant messaging behavior. South Africans have to think twice before sending out certain messages over WhatsApp and other social media platforms. The South African Parliament has officially passed the Cybercrimes Bill, with the draft legislation now set to be signed into law by President Cyril Ramaphosa, as South Africa heads towards being more and more of a police state, regardless of how inept the South African police service is. According to Business Tech, the bill was first put forward in 2017 and has undergone a number of changes, with the main objectives of the bill to create offences and impose penalties which have a bearing on cybercrime, to criminalise the distribution of data messages which are harmful, to provide for interim protection orders around these messages, and to further regulate jurisdiction in cybercrime. The bill also imposes obligations on electronic communication service providers and financial institutions to assist in the investigation of cybercrimes. It provides that the executive may enter into agreement with foreign states to promote cybersecurity. Here are some of the detailed malicious messages which are covered by the bill. 1. Data messages which incite damage to property or violence. 2. Any person who discloses by means of an electronic communication service a data message to a person, group of persons, or the general public with the intention to incite. 3. The causing of any damage to property belonging to, or 4. Violence against a person or a group of persons is guilty of an offence. 5. Data messages which threaten persons with damage to property or violence. 6. A person commits an offence if they send a message which threatens a person with damage to property belonging to that person or a related person, or violence against that person or a related person. 7. Disclosure of intimate images. Any person, person A, who unlawfully and intentionally discloses by means of an electronic communication service a data message of an intimate image of another person, person B, without their consent, is guilty of an offence. In these cases, person B includes the person who can be identified as being displayed in the data message, any person who is described as being displayed in the data message, irrespective of the fact that the person cannot be identified as being displayed in the data message, or any person who can be identified from other information as being displayed in the data message. The bill defines an intimate image as a depiction of a person which is real or simulated and made by a means in which person B is nude, or the genital organs or anal region of person B is displayed, or if person B is a female person, transgender person, or intersex person, their breasts are displayed, or the covered genital or anal region of person B, or if person B is a female person, transgender person, or intersex person, their covered breasts are displayed. The section also includes a consideration on privacy, in that the message will be considered an offence if person B retains a reasonable expectation of privacy at the time that the data message was made in a manner that 1. Violates or offends the sexual integrity or dignity of B, or amounts to sexual exploitation. According to Cliff Decker-Hoffmeyer, the Cybercrimes Bill prescribes the sentences that offenders will be liable to on conviction of the cybercrimes created by the bill, which entail fines and/or imprisonment ranging from 5 to 10 years, with aggravated offences attracting imprisonment of up to 15 years. With the Cybercrimes Bill officially passed, a lot of South Africans will breathe a sigh of relief, especially women who have at times fell victims to such crimes and are harassed and made to feel ashamed. Having these new laws in place will help protect the dignity of the people whose images are shared without their consent, or data messages which incite damage to property or violence. Now, the problem I have with this Cybercrimes Bill is nothing to do with the reference to the images. It's everything to do with the text side. If you put something in there that offends the police state, they can then go after you. This is the danger of what they're now bringing into law in South Africa when it comes to social media. This includes YouTube comments, it includes Facebook comments, it includes WhatsApp messages, etc., etc., etc. Anything electronic that is seen to demean or intimidate or defame, or you know what I'm talking about, that can land you in court. And the prison term can be up to 15 years. Obviously, that's fairly extreme. But that's a new development. So just be aware of that when you use these social media. All right, guys, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed. Ring the bell for the updates. Please like this video. Please share this video. And above all, please stay safe. Bye for now.